Welcome to Combi, where we custom design and manufacture innovative end-of-line packaging automation systems. At Combi, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality, teamwork, and excellence. Centrally located in North Canton, Ohio, our custom-engineered systems optimize the packaging process for many of the products you know and love. Every employee matters at Combi. Our mission, vision, and core values help guide the way for both the success of the company and of the employees. Here at Combi, our employees work together to create a culture that is both inviting and welcoming. We offer exciting and challenging positions with competitive wages and a comprehensive benefits package. Combi strives for a collaborative and inclusive work environment. If you're looking for that next step in your career, consider the Combi Nation. From engineers, accountants, and designers to assemblers, specialists, and welders, we're always looking for talented candidates to join the effort. Check out our current openings, gain new experiences, and come give your career a boost here at Combi.